Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I installed this beautiful brown chocolate wig, keep on watching this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to your girl's channel. So starting off, I know I scared you, didn't I? Know. We are going to start off by putting our wig on. This is a wig from my hair company, so if you are interested in getting you a custom wig made, make sure you check the description for more information. This is a HD lace 5x5, and yeah, so I'm just making sure that the wig is where I want it to be, and then I'm going to use my witch hazel or toner to clean my forehead off from any dirt, debris, grease, or whatever it is. So today I'm using Bold Hold. This is my favorite glue. I use this glue like on all of my installs, honestly. So I apply 3 layers of Bold Hold, making sure that the layers are very thin. Like, if you can get the layer thinner than this, do that, okay? But I always make sure that the glue is clear before I go in and apply my second layer of glue. And now I'm pushing my cap up just so it can stay where it needs to stay, since I'm not doing the ball cap method. This is my second layer. And also, again, I'm using 3 layers. You could use 4 if you're feeling feisty, but I wasn't planning on leaving this wig on too long. Now I am going to apply my wig, being very gentle to place it where I need it to be. So also, if y'all haven't noticed, my forehead is like 2 in 1. So I have a lot of space to pull my wig up. But if you don't have a lot of space, don't you be pulling that wig up by your eyebrows, okay? You need to take it back a little bit, okay? Take it back a little bit. But honestly, I honestly pulled this a little too close to my hair, to my eyebrows, but I went back and fixed it off camera. But anyways, so I'm cutting the lace now, also making sure to cut in a zigzag motion. This is the cream makeup I'm using to apply to my lace so it'll blend much better. You don't need a lot, just a very little bit, okay? A little bit. Once I did that, I went in with this extra holding spray. I used this on my, y'all, this is good by itself, honestly, okay? Don't say I didn't tell you. But I just use a little bit on my finger, making sure to not get it so close to my skin either, because it gets very sticky. So that's why I use my finger, so it can stay put wherever I put it. Then I went in with my elastic band. I know, don't judge me. We all have that dirty elastic band with all that glue and makeup. Okay. So anyways, I put my elastic band on, and then I let it sit for about 10 minutes, took it off. This is what we are looking like. And then I took some concealer to make my part more defined, because I didn't bleach my knots too good on this wig. Yeah, I was in a rush, but this is how the wig turned out. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.